The general recursive form. A recursive function is a function that calls itself. And so the problem with that is if a function calls itself, well, that version of the function calls itself, and that would go on forever. That's known as infinite recursion, but really you can't have infinite recursion because eventually you run out of room to store the local variables and to keep track of the return state, which is stored on the stack. So whereas you can have infinite loops, you can't have infinite recursion because you actually crash with something called stack overflow. So you have to have a situation where you don't recurse, where the function doesn't call itself. We call that the base case. And in the base case, you're not allowed to be recursive. You have to compute a solution without the function calling itself. And naturally, you check for the base case first so that this guarantees at some point you won't be recursive. So here's the general form for recursive function. If we're in our base case, do something non-recursive, else do something recursive. We're going to see this pattern over and over again. It will become abundantly clear soon.